Do you spend more time looking for the perfect drawing subject than actually drawing, staring at a blank page because you don't know what to put on it? The truth is, you are already surrounded by great drawing subjects, you just haven't trained your eyes yet to notice them. In this video I'm going to show you a simple 30-second technique to find infinitive drawing subjects anywhere you look. No more searching, no more excuses, let's learn how to see like an artist. Grab yourself a pen and whatever is in front of you, a piece of paper, an old envelope, a sticky note, it doesn't matter. I will set a timer for you, so let's go. Your first subject is the very first thing your eyes land on. Your screen, your coffee mug, a poster. Don't think, just start now. The goal isn't a masterpiece, the goal is to stop overthinking and start moving your hand. This is powerful and it turns your "I don't know what to draw" into a clear action. Creative block is rarely about a lack of subjects, it's about the fear of making something bad. With only 30 seconds, you don't have time to judge and you're training the core fundamentals, looking, simplifying and responding. And here comes the second round. I'll set your timer for 30 seconds. Now look out of your window. Catch whatever you see first. Some branches, a roof, your neighbor's wall. Don't polish, don't erase, just marks on paper. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just start. And once you understand that anything is a subject, the word becomes your source of inspiration. You can take this 30-second technique and carry it with you through the entire day, and you will never run out of ideas again. Don't look for art, look for situations. Imagine this. You are at the doctor's office, sitting in a waiting room. Instead of scrolling on your phone, you take a pen and a piece of paper. Look at the person's shoes across from you, or the way the magazines are stacked on the table. Just draw what you see for 30 seconds, that's it. Or imagine you are sitting in a cafe, waiting for a friend who's running 5 minutes late. Perfect. Look at your cup, the spoon, or even the messy folds on your paper napkin. These are your subjects. Or imagine you are sitting in the park, enjoying the sun. Don't feel overwhelmed by the whole scenery. Focus on one small leaf, a bird on a branch, or just the tiny blades of grass and bugs at your feet. Or imagine you are on your commute, watching the world goes by. Catch the quick movement of a passing cyclist, the cars, or just the rhythm of the power lines against the sky. It's a shift in perspective. You stop saying, "I can't find a subject." You start actively seeking them out by acting instead of thinking. If you feel blocked even to start, then download my free drawing guide. Even if you think you can't draw, this will help you to get back into the flow. And for more support, join our weekly drawing practice to loosen your hand and build confidence through guided exercises. You can take this 30-second method even further and deliberately limit your focus. Instead of trying to draw everything, you pick just one rule for your eyes to follow. Imagine sitting there looking around and you decide to narrow your view. Draw only lines. Limit yourself to just the horizontal and vertical lines you see. The frame of a window, the edge of a table, the stripes on a shirt. Or you draw only shapes. You can spot geometric forms in your surrounding like a book or a ball, a rooftop or a plate. Draw them as you spot them. Or draw only shadows, ignore the objects entirely and draw only shades of light, middle and dark. The shadow that are on the object and the shadows they leave on the table or on the street. By narrowing your focus like this, you take the pressure off. It's not longer about art, it's just about following one simple rule. And once you do that, you realize there are unlimited ideas within arm's reach. And don't forget, make it light, easy and with joy. You are training your brain to stop overthinking. You are building fundamental drawing skills and overcome blank page anxiety, while filling your sketchbook with a personal library of ideas you can later develop into bigger pieces. But now you've seen how a simple 30-second technique can turn almost anything into a drawing subject. And the best part? You are secretly working on real art fundamentals the whole time: observation, simplification and value. So the next time your brain tells you, "I have no ideas," you will know it's not true. You've trained the skill of seeing like an artist, and that's something you can use for the rest of your drawing life. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on finding your creative flow. And if you need some help to structure your week for creativity, watch this next video.